Now we're going to copy our value here. So if I'm going to change this, also these are changed. Again, this is so. Okay, we created here a percentage rank. We will use this on the table. Then I'm going to do the following again. I use this to create this. Okay, and then this one, like this. I'm gonna format this table like this table. Then I have 10%. Okay. If this is greater than this, you display 2, else if this is less than 10, you will display 0. Otherwise, nothing. In both cases, okay, the format is the same format. A reference to this, the reference to this one, less than. Okay. Okay, so we have these values. So this means that we are going to use this for the conditional format. Okay. Then I want to display the names of the KPI here in this way. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. And this is equal to this. Which is again like before. I'm going to call list of KPIs, LST KPIs. And now that we have this, I want to modify this formula here. I want to say show target. So in case I'm going to show the target here, true. So the target will be like this. If this, you show this, but in the other case you show the function not applicable. L like this. Format cells, number. I did a mistake here because I need to close, cut this, put it here, and here we are. With this true or false, we will show the target on our function. We will show the target. So we need this table basically here. If you type true or false, we will display And conditional formatting according to this value will show 0 or 2 if it is here below 10 and 2 if it is above 90. We'll show the conditional formatting. Here we have the percentage of ranking to calculate the conditional formatting. Our dashboard, and we will continue.